हेलो दोस्तों, मैं आपका ट्रबल शूटर। दिस इज माई फर्स्ट मोबाइल कंपैरिजन बेस्ड ऑन पेपर फीचर्स। लेट्स कंपेयर बिटवीन Realme X7 Max and OnePlus Nord 2 and Poco F3 GT. So let's begin. I'll tell you only some major and minor difference between both and try from all of the mobiles. Let's 1, 2, 3. Realme X7 released earlier from all of the mobiles on 4th June, and Nord 2 will release on 26th June, and F3 GT, Poco F3 GT releasing on 24th June, means tomorrow. All of the mobiles comes with Android version 11. Realme X7 Max comes with Realme UI, and Nord 2 comes with Oxygen OS, and obviously F3 GT comes with MIUI. And major con factor between all of the mobile is all mobiles come with MediaTek Dimensity 1200 MT6893, but somewhere Oxygen OS means not tweak something with AI, means you will get best and same performance from all of the mobiles. All of the mobile are fabricated on 6mm technology. Realme X7 Max and F3 GT comes with 8 and 12 GB RAM variant, but only on Nord 2 comes with 6 GB RAM and 8 GB RAM and 12 GB RAM, both all three variants. All mobile have AMOLED display. X7 Max has Super AMOLED display, Nord 2 have Fluid AMOLED display, and F3 GT have Super AMOLED display. In X7 Max and F3 GT both have 120 Hz refresh rate, but Nord 2 have only 90 Hz refresh rate. X7 Max has the most thicker phone from all of the mobile cause it have 8.4 mm thickness. Among all of the mobiles, F3 GT have most weight cause it have 205 gram weighted, cause it have bigger battery than all of the mobiles. Let's come to camera. Realme X7 Max has 64 megapixel primary camera and 8 megapixel wide angle camera and 2 megapixel macro camera. Otherwise, Nord 2 have 50 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel wide angle camera and 2 megapixel monochrome camera. F3 GT have 64 megapixel primary camera and 8 megapixel wide angle camera and 2 megapixel monochrome macro camera. X7 comes with 16 megapixel front camera and Nord 2 has come with 32 megapixel front camera, and F3 GT comes with 16 megapixel front camera. Nord 2 and X7 Max both have 4500 mAh battery, but excluding F3 GT have 565 mAh battery. That's why it is heavier side. All of the mobiles comes with 5G connectivity. Realme X7 and Nord 2 both have on-display fingerprint sensor, but on F3 GT have side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Realme comes with 50-watt super dart charger, which will charge your phone 50% in 16 minutes. And Nord 2 comes with fast rap charger, which it will charge your phone 100% in only 30 minutes. And F3 GT comes with fast charger of 67 watt, which will charge your phone in 42 minutes, cause it has bigger battery than all of the mobiles. Only Realme X7 Max comes with 3.5mm jack. Both of mobile don't have support of 3.5mm jack. So let's come with major segment, which is the price. It will manipulate you to buy mobile, which should you buy or which you can't. So here is the price of all of the mobiles, all of the variant types, their RAM and internal storage. So let's come to the conclusion. In terms of display, the Nord 2 lags behind. It gets 90 Hz display compared to 120 Hz AMOLED on the Poco F3 GT and the Realme X7 Max. All three phones are packed a solid battery packed with fast charging support. OnePlus Nord 2 runs on Oxygen OS 11.3 out of the box and is assured through 2 years of software upgrade and 3 years of security, something the competition has not promised. It also gets the same 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 camera found on the flagship OnePlus 9 series. All in all the three smartphones under 30,000 offer great value for money, at least on paper. It all boils down to your preference and requirement. If you want 3.5mm headphone jack, then the Realme X7 Max is real winner. Poco F3 GT offers a premium design with customizable maglev trigger as an add-on. OnePlus Nord lastly bets with great hardware coupled with the readable or Oxygen OS 11. Now it is on you which you preferred according to your needs and entertainment other purposes. So now we come so far, so let's end it. And आपका ट्रबल शूटर सायोनारा बाबा टाटा बाय बाय.